Hello, once again, this is ABW's Executive Chef Chris. Welcome to ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen, where we demystify the culinary arts by showcasing amazing appliances and showing you how easy it is to cook great food at home. Today we're talking about the Miele coffee system. That's right, one of the best coffee systems made on the market. This is actually 4 appliances in one. It's a coffee system. It's a great grinder, a conical grinder, not a blade-driven grinder. It's a milk steamer and frother, and it also has a hot water dispenser. So let's take a look at the inside of this. Whole beans go in here. You can adjust the grounds here. This is the water container, or you can get this plumbed. All right, now we're going to make a cappuccino. I'm going to insert the milk carafe here. And I'm just going to hit 1 cappuccino. So what happens during the coffee making process is that the beans go into a conical grinder. It grounds the beans up very evenly. It gets put into like a little puck type of application. And then water comes through just to pre-moisten that puck. And then water shoots through it all the way to extract the most coffee flavor that you can get. And as you can see, it builds up a crema on top of the coffee, which is a combination of air and oils from the actual bean that prove what a great premium cup of coffee this does make. So let's try this. Boy, that is some kind of good. For more on this product and any other appliance, please visit us at abwappliances.com. ABW's Executive Chef Chris signing out for today, and thanks again for tuning in to ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen. See you next time.